a Boeing 737-500 airplane belonging to Indonesian airline, Sriwijaya Air, is suspected to have crashed in waters off Laki Island after losing radio contact this afternoon. Management is still communicating and investigating this matter, and will immediately issue an official statement after obtaining factual information, Sriwijaya Air's Senior Manager Corporate Communication, Theodora Erika, said in a statement Saturday. The Ministry of Transportation has confirmed that airport authorities lost contact with Sriwijaya Air flight number SJ182. The aircraft took off from Soekarno-Hatta International Airport near Jakarta and was en route to Pontianak when it went missing. The Boeing 737-500 aircraft, registered as PK CLC, lost contact at a position 11 nautical miles north of the airport after passing an altitude of 11,000 feet, and while increasing its altitude to 13,000 feet. Sriwijaya Air is still in contact with various related parties to obtain more detailed information regarding the SJ182 flight serving the Jakarta-Pontianak route, she added.